identify each sample as biased or unbiased, and then describe its type, explain your reasoning. So number 1 said, to determine how many students at a middle school bring their lunch from home, all the students on one bus are surveyed. So I typically decide what type of survey is done, and then I can determine if it's biased or unbiased. So let's talk about it. What type of survey was done here? What type would you guess? Yep, what do you think? It is a convenience sample. So therefore, if it's convenience, is that biased or unbiased results? Yes.
It is biased.
Yes. So again, for your assignment today, I would be fine with you just writing biased. Tell me the name of it. So it's convenience. How am I spelling wrong? C-O-N-V-E. Whoops, there we go. V-E-N. Sample. And then the next question is, why? Why is this result not good? Or how is it a convenient sample? What might be the problem with this one? Yeah. What do you guys know about school buses typically? Where are they picking up from? Are they like from a few kids from each of the towns, or are they kind of in one grouped area typically? Yes. Yeah, which also can group them by what? Socio-economical type of, basically whether or not they're financially well off or not, which could affect whether or not they are choosing hot lunch or not. So we can stick with convenience sample. It grouped them. It was only one bus. So what did somebody write? Give me one example. We'll write theirs out. Anyone give a statement? What do you have? Yep. Or they're all grouped on one bus. All the students were grouped on one bus. Okay. All the students were grouped on one bus. Okay. And again, it does become an issue of maybe it's a neighborhood and they're all the same type of status within money-wise, which could affect whether or not they're taking a hot lunch. Okay, the next one, we're skipping number 2, going on to 3. To determine shopping habits at a department store, one male and one female shopper are randomly selected and surveyed from each of the 75 stores. So what kind of sample do you think was taken here? What do you think? Yeah? I would agree. It's a stratified random sample. So we'd write stratified. Whoops, let's not put it here though. Stratified random sample, which would mean, is it biased or unbiased if it's stratified random? Yep, unbiased. Stratified random sample. And how did you know this? What could you write for your statement to prove this? Or what makes it? What is a stratified random sample? What do you have? Yeah, good. That's very good. So what did you say? There were 2 groups. Girls and guys. And then also, hold on, from those 2 groups. And then there were like almost, because it says stratified random is the population is divided into similar, not overlapping groups. So they were also set up by different stores too. So it kind of grouped them also in another way, 75 different stores. The last one, the theater group took a survey about the type of popcorn they should sell during plays. They randomly surveyed 52 students at lunch. Their results are shown in the table. Is this sampling method valid? If so, how many of the boxes of popcorn should be caramel if they ordered 600 boxes? So what kind of sample was taken? What do you guys think? They kind of told you. Not systematic. What do you think? Yeah? Yeah, it was a simple random, which means that it is valid. So it is unbiased. And then it's a simple random sample. And then, and they told us that. So they randomly chose. Would all students typically be in the cafeteria? So pretty much everyone should have the same opportunity. versus like choosing randomly at a track meet. Those are only specific kids that are in track, but really all students should go to the cafeteria from lunchroom. Now, how again would I set this one up to figure out how many popcorns would be caramel? So you're going to go ahead and do what they had 13 out of the 52. This is going to equal how many caramel popcorns out of 600? And what did you solve for that one? 151. What did we find? Yeah, caramel popcorn. And is this accurate or is this your prediction? Prediction. A lot of companies will do this. They'll make a prediction of what they've seen in the past to determine what they should do in their future.